My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove fake Chrome update alerts that come from the site Operatecurrentextremelyinfo-file.info. Some people may see these pop-ups to attack Google Chrome. Once again, the site is Operatecurrentextremelyinfo-file.info. This pop-up is presented as some Chrome update alert, but this is a fake alert. It is not related to Google Chrome, and if people mistakenly proceed with this so-called Chrome update, they actually are forced to install some unwanted browser extensions that may operate as adware or as browser hijackers. It depends on various settings, of course. So you should be very careful if you see these pop-ups by Operatecurrentextremelyinfo-file.info. Don't ever interact with these pop-ups. I recommend you to remove any unwanted extensions if they were mistakenly added. Access the menu of your Chrome, go to More Tools, then Extensions. So disable and remove these extensions that are not decent. I would also strongly advise that you research the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the software, and then begin researching and investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.